our Panini sandwich press. First off, the overall dimensions from left to right. We have a length of 12 inches, a depth of 14¼ inches, and a height of 8½ inches tall. Coming to the front will be the on and off, the heat indicator, all with temperature control. Okay. Getting to the top and bottom will be your groove plates. The plate for each will measure 9¼ inches in length by 9 inches for the bottom plate. And for the top press, we have 8½ inches in length by 8½ inches in depth. Right beneath the lower bottom plate, we have the removable waste tray. The waste tray will measure 9½ inches in length by 1½ inches in height. Tray can be removed and inserted back right into position. Coming to the back, we have a sticker with the CE certification. Allows the 110, 120 voltage plug.
For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this part.